Does home solar increase the value of your home? If you're considering installing a solar system, you may be wondering, do solar panels increase home value? The National Renewable Energy Laboratory cites a study in the Appraisal Journal, which shows that home values increase by $20 for every $1 reduction in annual utility bills. So, if your solar system saves you $2,000 per year, in addition to the savings, it adds $40,000 to the home value. A second study by the Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory cites a formula of a $5,000 resale value increase for every kilowatt in home solar capacity. A third Zillow study noted that homes with solar installations tend to sell for 4.1% more than homes without solar. The Zillow estimate is the lowest value model, but all studies show an increase in the value of the home after a solar installation. Another benefit in some states is that property value increases due to solar installations are exempt from additional property taxes. However, realtors say that those home buyers who don't understand solar installations aren't as interested in buying solar homes. Yet, other buyers are in active pursuit of a solar-powered home. Solar homeowners need to keep good records to prove solar system value. This ensures maximum home resale value. Records such as installer contacts, warranty information, permits, before and after power billing, and equipment manuals will help maximize resale value. Financial incentives for installing home solar systems continue to grow as solar technologies become more affordable, tax incentives increase, and home values rise as a result of solar savings. For many people, a solar system's financial benefits are secondary to the goal of taking a step toward renewable energy living and reducing our carbon footprint.